and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Shaggy takes the lead on the business of music. The Shaggy-led inaugural Island Music Conference IMC started Wednesday at the Courtney Auditorium in Kingston. Day one saw the music mogul as the keynote speaker under the theme Music from Concept to Consumption and Beyond. The conference is a sign of the superstar's commitment to assist local artists, as Shaggy has been using his platform for years to invite young dancehall and reggae artists to learn about the business of music in what he describes as the key to his and others' success.
A lot of people kind of try to make it seem like this is where it is, or this is as far as you can go. And I'm telling you, you have to make yourself be bankable. You know, you have to make yourself be worthy of investment. You know what I mean? So when Ariana Grande comes out and she has a rollout of $10 million per song to roll out, it's because she's bankable. It's because the record company is investing in her, knowing that one, she's going to show up on time, two, she's going to go hard, three, you know what I mean, she's going to come with the bells and whistle, four, she has a team that is pro. You know, if we don't start getting a team that is pro, then nobody's going to want to bank on you.
The IMC will see over 50 presenters from around the world, from renowned brands like YouTube. It is positioned as an island meeting place where music professionals share experiences, forge alliances, expand the knowledge base, and is geared at Caribbean growth in the international music industry while helping participants navigate and overcome challenges. The conference runs until Sunday. Rihanna turns head in New York City. Madame Tussauds announced on Tuesday that Rihanna is receiving a new wax figure in its New York City museum. The reveal sees Rihanna's wax figure paying ode to her 2018 Met Gala look, where she wore an embellished strapless mini dress complete with a matching mitre, coat, and pleated skirt. And Rihanna is not the only reveal, as Canadian rapper Drake had his reveal in London. His reveal was also made on Wednesday at Madame Tussauds London. The wax figure sees Drake styled in his outfit from the 2021 surprise appearance at the Wireless Festival in London. Drake's newest wax figure takes residence in Madame Tussauds' largest museum, joining the likes of Rihanna, Ariana Grande, Miley Cyrus, Beyonce, and others. Now, 3 of Disney's most popular animated films will be getting new installments. Walt Disney Corporation CEO Bob Iger announced on Wednesday that Frozen and Zootopia sequels are in development, while a 5th Toy Story film is in the works at Pixar. Iger made the announcement at the company's QI 2023 earnings call. Iger paired the good news with the announcement of 7,000 job cuts at Disney in a new round of cost-cutting measures and what he describes as significant transformations. The 3 franchises are hoped to turn around the recent lows at Disney films, as they share some of the most successful animated Disney film stats. For one, Frozen 2 is the 13th highest grossing film of all time, while Frozen was the first Walt Disney animated studio film to get an Oscar for Best Animated Picture. Zootopia sequel will be the first follow-up to the 2016 animated film. Zootopia won an Oscar for Best Animated Film Feature in 2017, and the Oscar-winning Toy Story made over $3 billion worldwide and is the 20th highest grossing film series of all time. Now remember, the annual Argeguina cross-country invasion will launch tomorrow under the theme One Nation, One Family. You're invited to join your favorite morning show personalities at St. William's Grand Park, downtown Kingston tomorrow morning, and the afternoon teams at Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios. The launch will see performances from Lali, Voicemail, Critical, Pablo YG, D'Angel, Yaksta, and many more. Come out and enjoy the launch events with us. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.